Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya uba Prestone Tynsong ula kentu ki Autonomous District Council ADC. Bakin penyat hok bat penbet penbiang bahaya ke jengiat ke pisa kamtam ha ke jengirap pisa naga Sorkar jela. Abukran syikilat pathai khubor ba Tynsong lo ong ki District Council ki dan ki jengkilat pisa amdei ban shaniah lutang ha ke Sorkar jela. Ula kenturu ba omdei ban pelut pathar ne pelut klam jengkit kliat lada ka council ka syam ba omla ban penyat ha ka jengnut ka basyongnya ta ka dei ban penbet no lada deiru ha ka jeng siu tulap syikinong trai la ong uba Tynsong. Ula kedau balada ka council ka mat jeng pisa kelak ban siu ki tulap ha ka rukam ka balak ban penyat da ka installment lani da ka jeng penbet kumbala ban ne. Di District Council kini bandang absiu sa tulon kadwa ompat dio pisa kini ban persang ban penbet kumbala ha ka jengiat ke council ula ban rap uba Tynsong. Ini ki kentin usembut Menteri Rangba ki wan ha ka porba ki District Council kum ka GHADC bat GHADC ki ha kendu jeng ha ka pisa ba ka jeng siu tulop ka pasating ya ki nong tray jong.
If you ask me the question of the salary of all the district council. First, I should tell you about all the district council, all the three district councils in the state of Meghalaya. You know well that all these three district councils, they are autonomous. They are supposed to manage, they are supposed to generate revenue on their own. And I'm very sure according to that capacity, then appointment or recruitment is accordingly decided. So therefore, as far as the three district councils concerned, be it Jante Hills, be it Khasi Hills and be it Garo Hills, I've seen not only this year, in so many years, this issue keep happening. Sometimes the staff did not get salary for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, except maybe in Khasi Hills District Council. Otherwise, as I said to you, so many years it happened that way only. So ultimately, from the government side, we have nothing to say much. But we would like to only suggest and advise all the three district councils to also understand, to minimize the unnecessary expenditure. Because if you don't do that, if you earn 100 rupees, you spend 200 rupees, then you tell me that 100 rupees you spend more than what you earn, what will happen? So this is my reply to the issue of the salary crisis of Garo Hills, even Jante Hills District. It is too much. And then Garo Hills also, it is too much. Even 2-3 months, it's not issue. You get a point? How the employees manage to survive? Even 2 months, 3 months. So now we leave it to the wisdom of the respective district councils. They need to also manage financially well and understand the crisis that they are facing. Of the amount, there were incidents where we ultimately helped them out by way of releasing advance share due to the district council. We used to do that and we keep doing that. Okay, so we will see again with the situation that we have seen in both these two discounts.
The sender 100 plus crore, leading to this situation. Even Logaitha case is also pending. Your response
Here, where?
in GHADC.
Garo Hills. Garo Hills is council. Well, that I think it is too early to say anything because you know well, audit also is there. I think they are the one who will verify to find out whether misappropriation happens or not. So let us wait till the report is placed.